In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Razer Synapse to your computer. So by installing the Razer Synapse application, you're going to be able to manage your hardware such as your keyboard and mouse. So what you need to do is first just head over to an internet browser and then just search for Razer Synapse and hit enter. Now from here, you want to select Razer Synapse 4, which is the latest version of Synapse. And then we're going to scroll all the way down this page and click on the download now button. Once it's finished downloading, you can click on your download folder from your internet browser and you can open up this application file to begin installing it. So what we can do now is just go through the steps on the screen to start installing this to our computer. Click on continue, and in the left hand side make sure Razer Synapse is selected and then press install. Now click on the install button once again. You could decide whether you want to install the Razer Axon as well. I'm just going to press skip and then give that a few seconds while it goes and downloads the Razer Synapse. Now once it's finished installing, we can click on this launch button, and to begin using the application you'll need to go and sign in with your account. You can just continue as a guest as well, and just like that we have now installed the Razer Synapse application. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.